Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of Elementor's best templates being locked behind a pro paywall? Today I am showing you the ultimate cheat code, Royal Elementor Addon. We are talking 140 plus full site template kits, 90 plus advanced widgets, and a theme builder all for $0. So why Royal? While other add-ons are stripping away their free features, Royal has expanded the kits. We aren't just getting a single pages, we are getting full kits, header, footer and everything. The widget, you get high-end stuff like post grids and advanced sliders that usually cost money. So let's build a premium site for free. First, go to the WordPress dashboard. If you are a beginner, want to know how to purchase a domain, hosting and how to install WordPress, please see the description for the details. So here, go to Appearance, then click Theme. Click Add Theme. Here search for Royal Elementor. Okay, this is the theme we are going to install, that is Royal Elementor Kit. Click Install, click Activate. Okay, once you activate, following message will appear. Royal Elementor Kit comes with a Elementor based 140 plus sites library with 100 plus premium widgets. So let's click Get Start with Template Kit. It will install the Template Kit library. It will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet and the hosting speed. Dismiss this one. Click Allow and Continue. Okay, now you can see the Royal Elementor Template Kits are appearing here. The price are mixed. You can select the free ones. Okay, let's install this cosmetic shop. So click this one. Once you click, it will display each page separately. You can see the home, shop, single product, cart, checkout, about, FAQ, blog and single blog. So if you want to visualize the website, you can click this preview demo. You can see it's a nice template. Once you click this product, you can see the products page. The products are arranged by categorically. You can see. Okay, let's import this demo data. So click this import template kit. Click OK. So it will import all the demo data. It will take a couple of minutes, depend on your hosting and the internet speed. So please wait for that. Okay, once the import is finished, you will get following message. Import was successful. The import finished. Visit site. Once you click visit site, you can see all the demo contents are appearing nicely. Let's click contact. You can see the contact page also appearing. So this is a very fast and lightweight theme. If you want to check it, you can go to the plugins, click install plugin. You can see very minimal plugins are used. The Elementor and the Royal Backup Restore and Reset, Royal Elementor Add-on and WooCommerce. This is my one. So only 4 plugins are used here. If you want to edit this menu items, you can go to the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, click Menus, select the main menu. The by default selected. You can see the pages are arranged like this: home, products, about, FAQ, blog, like this. If you want to rearrange, you can just drag and drop like this and save menu. If you want to edit this header part, you can hover on the mouse with here in the edit with Elementor. Here you can see Cosmic V1 header. Once you click this one, you can see now you can visually edit this header. So if you're familiar with Elementor, it's easy. Similarly, if you want to edit this footer, again hover on this edit with Elementor, click Cosmetic V1 footer. Okay, now you can see you can edit these items. If you don't want the below item, you can just delete this one. And if you want to edit this footer credits, you can click this pen icon. Here you can see copyright 2026 created with Royal Elementor element. So if you want to change with your one, you can give the details. Give your details. And if you want to edit the hyperlink, you can click this pen icon and you can give your website name and enter. The link can be given anywhere. So once you can select and click this one, you can add the links of your website. It's very simple. Then publish. If you want to edit each pages, click edit with Elementor. Now all the contents can be editable visually. You can edit like this, or else you can edit here as well. All the titles, those contents can be edited. So go down. You can edit this boxes, this part, all the items you can edit easily. So if you have any doubts, you can click this watch video tutorial. You can get the idea. And if you want to edit the products, you can click this all products. Here you can edit the products with your one, or else you can add new products. For the WooCommerce settings, you can click this home, welcome to skip guided setup, give your country and go to store. So here you can set up each category one by one. Add your products already done, set up payments, those kind of things. So I have created another tutorial on WooCommerce setups. You can watch that video. So this is the simple explanation of how to import the pre-made Elementor kits from Royal Elementor Kits. So if you have any queries, please leave in the comment section and please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.